Lot number 107 is a 2002 Dodge Ram 3500 utility truck. This one has a 5.9 liter gas engine with only 97,000 original miles. The motor sounds good. It's got a slight misfire. It's been running for about 45 minutes. It revs up well, but it's got a slight misfire on idle. The battery is dead. I connected my jump box to it. It started right up. I'm gonna rev it up so you can hear it. The motor sounds good. Revs up nice. There are the miles, 97,431. I got the AC on in here, but it's blowing warm. The AC compressor has not engaged. AC blows warm. Oh, actually the AC compressor is engaged. Okay, it's blowing cool, but only to the top, to the defrost. So the AC compressor is engaged and it is blowing cool, but it's only blowing up to the defrost. AC compressor is engaged. The body is straight. The paint is peeling and faded. It's got minor dents and scratches all around. Headlights are dull. This one has a heavy duty tow hitch on the front bumper and on the rear bumper. So it's got two, one in the front, one in the rear. It's got matching hubcaps all around. The tires look fair. The utility bed shows normal wear. It's got a dent right underneath the gas cap there. It's dented. All the cabinet doors open and close as they should. And again, the box shows normal wear. Rear bumper looks good. It's got a small dent and a heavy duty tow hitch. The floor on the bed shows surface rust but appears to be solid. Here's the passenger side. A lot of paint peeling on the utility bed. But all the cabinet doors appear to be in good shape. All right, now I'll show you the interior. Interior shows normal wear and tear. Passenger seat and the center console armrest look good. The dashboard looks good. It looks like they already replaced that skin on top of the dashboard. It appears to be in good shape, but it's missing the bezel around the radio and the dashboard and all that. It's also missing the bezel or the cover for the steering column. The door panels look faded. Let me show you the driver's side. Driver door panel looks faded as well. Driver's seat is torn right there. Headliner's hanging. The rubber mat on the floor appears to be okay. All right, so there you have it. It's a Dodge Ram 3500 utility truck. It runs and drives. It's got a slight misfire, may need a tune-up, may have bad fuel. It's lot number 107. Lot number 107. Good luck.